The easiest way to place a rubber dam. First, take the rubber dam. I already have it marked with numbers. Then punch holes in it. Let's do this for 3 teeth in the upper posterior area. Now, choose the clamp. For a maxillary molar, I prefer this one. Next, place the clamp into the rubber dam while holding it in your hands. Attach the frame as well. Hold the forceps the way I show you in the video. This is very important and will save you a ton of time in the clinic. Now you're ready to place the rubber dam on the tooth. Adjust it and floss between the teeth. For better stability, I like to place a small piece of rubber dam behind the first tooth. And that's it. Easy, right? Say this for yourself and share it with your dentist friends.